Da, da, da. Ah, yes. I have gone to a place where, deep inside, how deep, bottomless, free refills, where down in your heart, where down in your heart, where down in your heart to stay, where Canadians must eventually go to make it. I have gone to America. Can't you tell? Breezing in, I felt them all rush past me at the border, go in the opposite direction, to which I say to them, Canada spreads and opens its borders to you, America. To you. Are you freaky? Are you a freak? Are you a fucking freak? Are you a freaky deaky? You freak, huh? You freak? Hey, you freak, huh? Are you completely inside out? Come on in, you freak. Canada welcomes you. Do you have no face? Come on in, you freak. Canada welcomes you. You can't stop crying. Oh, you fucking freak. Come on in. Canada welcomes all freaks. Oh. You want to do a Canadian version of the Onion? Well, maybe I think there's a bunch of those. Maybe you should funnel that energy into something else. And by funnel, I mean fun. Because some people say that I have a funny face. Look, there's a funnel for you. We're having fun right now. But if you come to Canada, you will have to take a passport photo. Now, in this passport photo, never smile. Never smile. Only one person can smile in their passport photo. That's right. The Prime Minister, Justin Trudeau. Such a nice smile. Such nice lips. Good lips. Oh, those lips. I like to call them lip service, 'cause that's all he is.